Hey guys, welcome back to Life of Randy. I'm Randy. If this is your first time stopping by, please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I drop a new video. If this is not your first time, welcome back. As you guys already know, I love wigs. I love to accessorize with my wigs. Different outfits called for different wigs. And today's video is going to be about my new bob that I got from Luvme Hair. I'm very excited about this one because I've had a bob before. I have a bob already, but that one is a 1 in terms of colors, and it's also a synthetic wig. So this new bob is a shorter, nicer bob, human hair, and it has a more natural color to it. I believe it's a 1B, which makes a huge difference. If I post pictures side by side, you'll see the difference that I'm talking about. So I'm very excited about this wig and I can't wait to show it to you guys. This is the box that it came into. It's the purple Luvme Hair box that you guys have seen in my previous Luvme Hair video. If you haven't seen my first Luvme Hair review wig, please make sure to check out this honey brown ombre that I got. It was super cute. It's very summer, fall vibes. This one is actually probably going to be my new favorite because it's so easy to put on. You don't need any glue, and you'll see just how quick and easy it is to style it as well. And I'm very excited for you guys to see this. So I opened the box, and actually I ordered 2 different wigs. So this wig and the other wig came in the same box. And it has some goodies in there, and that usually includes the Luvme hairpin, some bobby pins, a bald cap that I never use because I don't need it, once again, and some other goodies that, depending on how much you spend on the wig, then the price of that can grow. I know I've gotten like mini flat irons before. Depending on how much you spend, you get a nice little gift with it. I really like these little bags because you can actually keep your wig in there if you don't have a whole bunch of wig heads or mannequin heads to keep your wigs, especially the natural ones. This bag really helps to keep it and store it in case you have multiple wigs like me. I usually know which is which, and that way it's a lot easier for me to keep it and upkeep it and keep it for longer. Like I said, this is actually a bob with bangs, which is so much easier on me because that means there's no glue involved, there's no spraying or any kind of gluing happening, which is amazing because this is literally a throw on and go. You probably will need to style it a little bit according to how you want it. I've seen videos of girls trimming the bangs a little bit more and even the hair. But for me, because I'm not that knowledgeable in hairstyling, I try not to do too much to my wigs. I try to buy the ones that I see would fit my head better. So this one is one of them, and I really like the cut. It has a natural feel to it, like it's not a straight cut. It has different lengths and it kind of gives it more of a natural look. From the website, this wig at the time that I'm making this video has all 5 stars. I mean, the feel of it, your fingers run right through it. It's not, you don't feel it kind of tugging or any kind of knots inside of the hair, so it's really nice and smooth. It has nice mobility. I think that this is definitely a everyday wig that you could turn from day to night very easily. What I love about Luvme Hair is that their wigs are very affordable. This one right now on the website is running for $88.90, so $88.90, and there's always a sale on luvmehair.com. So probably right now you could probably get it for 20-25% off. Depending on the day, you really can get some good deals on that website. So I recommend checking this wig out. I'm gonna put the link in the description box below so that you guys can click on it and get yourself a nice little bob. And I don't get paid for it. I just enjoy sharing with you guys what I wear. I've had people ask me on my Instagram if or where I've gotten my wigs. So I just like making little videos, reviews for you guys. And if you guys are enjoying it, please make sure to like it and comment below what you want to see me in next. It's very exciting to try on all these wigs. And let me see if you want to see all my wigs, because I'm kind of working on something. And if you guys are commenting enough to say that you want to see them, then maybe I'll show you guys all of them. I wanted to show you guys the inside of the wig. So it has 2 combs on the sides and then 1 in the back. This wig does not have a lace to it. I don't really think that you need one if it's this short. It's actually 10 inches. You're not gonna be putting it up or anything for it to need a lace in the back or in the front since it has bangs. So this is a no lace wig. It is a 200% density, so it has a nice natural feel to it. It's not too thin, not too thick, which I really like, because for me, I need higher density wigs because I don't have the hair in the back to make it look fuller. So I really enjoy the 200% density on this wig. This is 100% human hair from one donor, which is pretty cool. And I'm surprised that the price was not even more, but I guess with the size or with the length of the hair, then that's probably why it was a little bit on the lower side, which I totally appreciate. I believe the website said that it was 200 grams, which you would have to do the math on in ounces, but it's very light. It's not heavy on the head, and it just feels very flowy. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll also have the link of the wig in case you're interested in purchasing it. Again, I do not get any money out of it. I just like sharing with you guys the nice wigs that I find online, whether it's Luvme Hair or others, but mostly it is Luvme Hair. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more wigs. Now I'm gonna try on this wig and show you guys what it looks like on my head. What I like to do is place this band at the bottom of my head, and that later on acts as kind of a holding place for the combs that they have back here. Since I don't have hair in the back, this kind of helps me, well, this actually helps me put the wig on properly and securely. So that way it doesn't fall out or anything like that. So this is the wig on, and again, it took a couple seconds to put on. So again, this is a 10-inch bob. It is 100% natural human hair, color 1B. So this is what I was saying, that the 1B is a lot more natural looking, especially for my skin tone, than a 1 would be. It just looks a little too black on kind of going towards the bluer side. So I don't really like it. It looks fake. So I tried to kind of move towards the lighter, more natural, dark colors, if that makes any sense. So now I'm just gonna curl it just a tiny bit at the bottoms to make it nice and presentable. I mean, it's pretty nice now, so I could actually go out like this. I wouldn't really mind, but I just like it to be a little bit more curled right at the bottom. And I'm not putting anything in the hair. I think that a bob with bangs is really easy to make it a day look or a night look. So it's definitely a wig that should be in your closet if you like wigs, if you like bobs. You never know how you're going to look though in a short bob, I should say, because it completely changes your look, especially if you're used to afros or longer hair or braids. So it's a nice switch up to have in your closet or in your wig chest, if I may say. So I'm just taking the tips and curling them a little bit at the bottom. And voila, this is the wig. It's pretty much done. I literally just unboxed it and put it on my head. It's great. I love sometimes with the natural hair wigs, you may have some flyaways, and what comes in real handy, which I love, that comes with some of the Luvme Hair Wigs. I haven't gotten any in a while, so Luvme Hair, if you're watching, please make sure to send some. But it's these little wax sticks that you use to just like bring down the flyaways. Or I think if you use like maybe like some Vaseline or water or something and just like press down the hair. But I really like the wax sticks because they do a good job. So this is the hair. Oh, let me show you the back. This is a side view. And now the back. I really like this hair. It's so cute. The color is really nice and natural. I like how it falls on my face and how it kind of hugs my face here. I think that this is a very easy wig to style, especially for beginners. So I definitely encourage anyone who is kind of sliding slowly into wearing wigs to start with something like this. No lace, no glue, no problem. Just put it on, get a nice flat iron that can get to a high temperature, and style it the way that you wish. And I think that with this one, I think it would look really cute with these like half curls, and like I guess they're called beach curls. So I would say I think that's another look that would look good on this wig. Overall, I like this wig a lot. I think that you'll be seeing many pictures of me online with this wig on. I really like it. It's very natural and not too extra, and I tend to be extra, so this kind of brings me back to reality a little bit. So it's just like a cute, perfect wig to have. I think it's a very easy wig to throw on, and I definitely recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you haven't already done so, please make sure to like this video and to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified the next time that I drop a new wig video or any other video for that matter. Also, share this video if you know somebody who has alopecia and who is looking for the right wig. I know a lot of us, because we don't have the hair in the back, if we get the wrong one, then it kind of leaves this air bubble that does not look right, and that's happened to me way too many times, which is why I like to put the links. I like to show how I put it on, and I also like to share with you guys how it feels, because sometimes, yes, you're gonna get a good price, but you're going to get a not so nice wig. So let me know if you guys enjoyed these sharings and kind of reviews. Well, yeah, so let me know if you guys enjoy the reviews in the comments. And I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.